Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys, how can we restart Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to restart your Infinix phone, so how can you restart? And friends, today friends I will show guys special setting, then guys you can restart your Infinix phone without press power off button setting. So friends, now let's see how can we restart. Open your phone setting. After phone setting is click on guys your phone special function setting is tap on phone special function. Guys, click on phone accessibility setting. We will tap on accessibility. Then you can see power of menu guys, accessibility menu guys, tap here. Then guys you can see accessibility menu shortcut guys, you will have to on it guys, your accessibility menu guys, tap on got it. And friends, you can see guys this man icon guys, we will tap here. Friends, you can see guys the power of setting guys. So guys you can see guys the setting. So we will tap here guys. Friends, you can see restart. So guys we will press on guys restart option guys, then guys your phone will restart automatic guys. Then wait and watch. So guys your phone will automatic switch off and guys automatic on guys, you can check guys. So we will have to wait for a while guys. You can see guys phone will power on automatic without press of power of button guys. Phone will on automatic guys. Guys you can check. Powered by Android Infinix. So it will take I think like 20 and 25 seconds. So guys I am going to pause video guys. Wait here. So friends you can check. So friends your phone is power on. So like that guys, you can restart guys your Infinix mobile if you want to restart. So friends you can restart. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video.